Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recover email. Okay, let's get started. Now click on Google. Tap on permissions. Tap on location. Click on don't allow. Now click on Google Chrome. Click on permission. Now click on location. Click on don't allow. First open Google Play Store. We have to download, install and search browser. Now open browser. Selected at search browser. Set at default. Now type on google.com. Click on sign in. Open recover page. Now type on recover email. Click on next. Now click on forgot password. No OTP code. Click on try another way. Now open phone settings. Scroll down, click on Google, click on three dot icon. Now tap on help. Click on chat help. Now type on hacker Gmail recovery. Now click on how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Scroll down. Now click on third option. Scroll down. Now click on account recover page. Now type on recover email. Click on next. Tap on update password. Set a strong password. Now type on change password. Type on confirm password. Now click on save password. Hello friends, like this video, subscribe my channel.